Let's get ready to rumble. Yan, the more you hurt her, the more she's fighting back. Ganon yung ugali ng Duterte.
Sir,
Hindi yan natatakot.
Yung press con ni Pangulong Duterte kagabi, were you able to monitor it, sir? Meron po ba kayong reaction? Isa sa mga sinabi niya, kung magkakaroon daw po ng pag-aakla, susuportahan daw niya sa mga militar? Kasama daw sa?
But he was not inciting.
Yes, sir.
Gusto niya kausapin lang military, di ba? Sabi niya kausapin lang na militar, being the ultimate guardian of the Constitution. Kung saan dapat nga side sila, kung mag-decide silang gano'n, then he will support them as far as defending the Constitution is concerned.
But sir, as a mayor, anong sinasabi nila? Because the challenge yesterday by the former president is he's challenging the military to, not to support yung addict daw na presidente, sir.
It's up to the military. Kung anong desisyon nila, sila nandyan. It's their call. It's their call. Kung anong action nila doon, it's their call.
Pero hindi ba parang ini-influensahan ng dating Pangulo yung mga militar natin doon sa sinabi niya, sir?
He's just laying down the options available sa military for them to know, for their own consumption. Parang gano'n ang ginawa. Dapat alam niyo.
Senator, parang hindi ba ito parang naniningil ng utang na loob dahil nung termino niya, inalagaan ng mga militar at mga polis?
Hindi naman sa ganun. Wala naman siyang ganun kasing ugali na maniningil. Never yan. Sa dami niyang mga tulong, assistance na naibigay sa akin noon, nung bata pa ako sa serbisyo, hanggang ngayon, I never, pag magpakita ko ng loyalty sa kanya, no, I don't need your loyalty. You just serve the people. Wag mo na akong isipin. That's not my type na magpakita ka na sip-sip ka sa kanya. The more matuturn off siya sa iyo pag napapakita ka na sip-sip ka. Just do your job.
Sir, why is it important to rally around attorney like VP Sara Duterte? You've been here for days. You really believe it's political persecution?
Yes,
happening?
I believe. I strongly believe. Yeah.